Hi, I'm Andy Bates.
And I'm Angel Bates. We're the owners of the Glass Door Store.
We're a family-owned and operated small business, providing all-inclusive services for residential customers for all their door needs, interior and exterior, servicing Tampa and Lakeland and surrounding areas.
We believe that each of our customers is an extension of our own family, and we want you to have peace of mind and confidence all the way from the time that you make your selection of your glass all the way through installation to add beauty, light, instant curb appeal, and value to your home.
With over 30 years of construction and customer service experience, we pride ourselves in providing an exceptional shopping experience for all of our customers. We offer cost-effective solutions by either adding a decorative glass insert to your existing front door or by changing out your door unit when necessary.
To make your shopping experience easy, we have 5 simple steps.
So step 1 in the process is to measure your door for either a glass insert or a door replacement. There is an easy measure guide on our website that will help step you through that process.
Step number 2 is to connect with us either in store or online. Step number 3 is once you have measured your door or glass and then connected with us, then simply choose the glass you love in store or online.
Step number 4, once you've placed your order, we will follow up with you to schedule the installation.
Step number 5, share your before and after of your new glass insert or door by using the hashtag #TheGlassDoorStore on Facebook or Instagram. We look forward to connecting with you soon, either online or at one of our locations.
From our door to yours, the Glass Door Store.